What's up, CCB kids? It's Way Back Wednesday.
That's right, and we're going into our CCB Kids vault to show you a classic. Hope you enjoy it.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yavin here, and with me today is my special guest, my little cousin.
YouTube Gavin.
It's Gavin, but he wants. Okay, YouTube Gavin.
Thank you.
That's fine. All right, so today we're gonna have another sound effect competition. Woo! Sound effect. Pew 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 pew. Today, near and dear to my heart, I think your heart as well. I mean, both our hearts. It's in the proximity of our corazones. And that is Star Wars. Yeah! Star Wars sound effects. We're gonna do this right now. And we're gonna start with blasters. Ready? On shot first. Pew, 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 pew. And then Stormtrooper. Go!
Okay, Clone Trooper.
Whoa! All right, that's enough with the blasters. Now we got speeders. Hey, need a ride?
Oh, yes, please.
All right, let's go.
You got him. Oh, got you.
Don't forget all those fun side characters like Chewbacca.
Yoda.
Oh, cousin you are. Are you YouTube Yoda?
No, it's YouTube Gavin. It's YouTube Gavin. It's YouTube Gavin.
We're doing a thing.
And finally, lightsabers. Lightsaber battle. You just cut your leg off.
Yes, I did.
Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, just keep breathing.
Thanks. That's really good advice.
Hey, who's the person that gives you really good advice? Talk about that right now in your groups.